Thank you very much, Maya. Our next speaker is Max Richtman. Max is the president and CEO of one of the great senior organizations in America, the National Committee to Preserve Social Security and Medicare. Max?
Thank you very much, Senator Sanders. I'm so proud to be here today with you, Senator, and your other speakers to expose the myths and misinformation being sold in this building today. You know, I was hoping we would be out here in the rain, but what I'm really worried about is that America's seniors and middle class will be left out in the cold if Pete Peterson and his allies convince the Congress, convince our politicians that Social Security, Medicare, and Medicaid have to be cut in order to save them. That doesn't make any sense. Unfortunately, too many of our politicians already believe this. What's happening here today is a cynical attempt to try to convince the American public that we've got just two choices to fix Social Security, Medicare, and Medicaid. Number one, cut these programs. Number two, refer to choice number one. That's not a real choice. Middle-class Americans have paid all their working lives for these programs. They're struggling with skyrocketing healthcare costs, diminished home values, depleted savings. It's no wonder that they feel abandoned when politicians try to undermine these important programs. Social Security, Medicare, Medicaid. Poll after poll that we've done, survey after survey that we've done, town hall meetings across the country, it's clear the American public is with us on saving these programs. So if most Americans support Social Security and Medicare, who's opposed to them? They're inside this building. They're right inside this building. Millionaires whose tax loopholes would be paid for by cuts in Social Security, Medicare, and Medicaid. Wall Street bankers who would reap a windfall of commissions if Social Security is turned into risky private accounts. And insurance companies who would make billions more if Medicare program is privatized. The evidence could not be clearer. From what we've learned throughout our polling, our talk town hall meetings, our surveys, the American people stand with us, the people you're hearing from this afternoon. They don't stand with Pete Peterson, with Wall Street bankers, with millionaires, with the insurance companies. They are standing with us. So to the elected officials inside this building, to all of them, I want to make it clear that for the sake of the American people, distance yourself from the propaganda that's being perpetuated and spread inside this building. Distance yourself. Stand up for the middle class. Stand up for seniors. Fight for them. Fight for seniors. Fight for the middle class. Protect Social Security, Medicare, and Medicaid. Woo!